Hello, beautiful listeners. Welcome back to Talk Angel, the podcast where you listen, learn, and speak English naturally. I'm Angel.
And I'm Liam. Welcome back, everyone. I hope you're feeling calm, comfortable, and ready to listen today.
Wherever you're listening from, maybe you're lying on your bed, maybe you're cooking, maybe you're on a long walk. We're really glad you're here with us.
Yes, truly. Angel, today feels a little different.
It does. There's something soft in the air today.
Soft is a good word. Is it because of the topic?
Exactly. Today, we're talking about Valentine's Day.
Ah, Valentine's Day. Love, roses, chocolates, messages, expectations.
Yes, all of that, but also much more than that.
I'm glad you said that, because when people hear Valentine's Day, they usually think only about romantic love.
And that's understandable, but Valentine's Day can also be about connection, kindness, and how we express love in different ways.
I like that perspective already.
Good, because today I'll be guiding you through not just what Valentine's Day is, but how to talk about it in English, how people feel about it, and how it shows up in real conversations.
So this episode is not just about vocabulary.
No, it's about real emotions, real situations, and real conversations.
Angel, let me start with a simple question.
Go ahead.
What is Valentine's Day really?
That's a great question. Valentine's Day is a day when people celebrate love and affection.
Affection. That's a nice word.
Yes, affection means showing care, warmth, and fondness towards someone.
So it's not only romantic.
Not at all. Some people celebrate with their partners, some people celebrate with friends, some celebrate with family, and some people choose not to celebrate at all.
And all of those choices are okay.
Exactly. There is no single correct way to experience Valentine's Day.
That already feels comforting.
Good. Valentine's Day should never make you feel pressured or less than.
Angel, how do people usually feel around Valentine's Day?
Many different emotions come up. Some people feel excited.
Because they're in love?
Yes, they may feel joyful, appreciated, and connected.
And others?
Others may feel lonely.
That's very honest.
It is. Valentine's Day can sometimes remind people of what they feel they're missing.
So people might feel sad, even if everything else in their life is okay?
Exactly. And some people feel neutral.
Neutral?
Yes, they see it as just another day.
I think that's me sometimes.
And that's perfectly fine.
Angel, many English learners struggle to talk about love.
Yes, because love feels deep and emotional, and people are afraid of using the wrong words.
So how do we keep it simple?
We start with everyday language.
Like,
Instead of saying something very dramatic, you can say, "I care about you,"
that sounds gentle.
or "I really enjoy spending time with you."
That feels very natural.
Exactly. Simple English often sounds more sincere.
Angel, what are some things people usually talk about on Valentine's Day?
They might ask, "Do you have any plans for Valentine's Day?"
That question comes up a lot.
Yes, and there's no pressure in the answer.
So someone can say, I'm just relaxing at home.
Or, "I'm spending time with friends."
Or even, I don't really celebrate it.
Exactly. All answers are valid.
Angel, I really like that you're saying this,
It's important.
because sometimes social media makes it seem like Valentine's Day is only for couples.
Yes, and that can be misleading.
So how can we reframe it?
By seeing Valentine's Day as a day of appreciation
Appreciation for whom?
for people who matter to you, friends who support you, family members who care for you, even yourself.
Celebrating yourself, that's powerful.
It is. Self-love is still love.
Angel, help me here. How do I express affection without sounding awkward?
Focus on honesty, not perfection.
So I don't need fancy words?
No, just clear feelings.
Like, I care about you.
Perfect.
Or, I'm really glad you're in my life.
That's beautiful English.
Angel, can we talk about the harder side?
Of course.
What if Valentine's Day feels painful for someone?
Then it's okay to acknowledge those feelings.
Not ignore them?
Never ignore your emotions. You can say, "This day is a little hard for me."
That's honest and healthy.
Yes, language helps us process emotions.
Angel, I noticed something.
What is it?
Talking about feelings makes English feel more alive.
Exactly. Language lives in emotions.
This episode feels very human.
That's our goal.
That's our goal. Angel, after this conversation, Valentine's Day feels softer.
I love that word, softer.
It feels less about pressure and more about presence.
And that's what love really is.
I agree.
Before we go, let's recap.
We talked about what Valentine's Day really means,
Different emotions people feel on Valentine's Day,
how to talk about love and affection in simple English.
and how Valentine's Day can be about more than romance.
If you enjoyed today's episode, please like this video.
Subscribe to the channel Talk Angel for more listen and learn English conversations.
Remember, English is not just a language, it's a way to connect.
Thank you for listening.
And we hope to see you in our next episode.
Bye.
Bye-bye.